The Money Lenders Association of Uganda maintains that as financial service providers, they should be given autonomy to self-regulate and determine lending rates based on prevailing market conditions.
And it's our cry to the government as we push that, you know what, there's a population that we serve and they need to be served very well. Because continuing to push this will create a lot of black market.
They say the 2.8% cap places them at a disadvantage, especially when compared to commercial banks that access cheaper credit and have the freedom to adjust rates.
So financial inclusion is very important. We need to be heard so that we can serve the population that we are meant to serve with the services that we have. Because if the bank tells him after 3 months, what will the consignment be doing?
The association's leadership noted that enforcing a uniform interest rate disregards the operational realities of moneylenders' business, which relies heavily on private capital and carries higher risks.
We need to have forces of supply and demand, because Uganda is a free economy and that is what we signed on. You cannot come and say forces of demand and supply will apply in this sector and then here we are coming to fix in this sector. That's a distortion. So
currently, the association has 200 registered members out of 1,500 licensed moneylenders across the country. It is now calling on all licensed lenders to join forces and build a stronger, united front that can effectively engage government and help eliminate illegal lenders who exploit borrowers with exorbitant rates and unrealistic collateral demands, such as national IDs and property titles.
If the 1,500 can now be members of the association, so each one of us will make sure that the association members are doing a good job of lending in accordance with the law, so that we show a good example first.
The association also condemned unlicensed operators who continue to tarnish the reputation of the industry through unprofessional and exploitative practices. Money lending remains one of the oldest business ventures worldwide, but one that has long been associated with harsh recovery methods, excessive interest rates, and unrealistic collateral terms, issues the association say is working to reform.
That let's wake up and raise to the cause so that we can actually be heard and push for policies that favor us.
This was during a media briefing at Hotel Africana in Kampala on the sidelines of their annual general meeting.